Imagine stepping into a salon that feels like a retreat, sophisticated, relaxing, and inspiring. That's exactly what we do at Jayfix Designs. Today, we are taking you behind the scenes of a stunning salon transformation, where every detail is designed to elevate the client experience. At Jayfix Designs, we believe that great design starts with great planning. We collaborated closely with our client to bring their vision to life, creating a space that blends modern elegance with functionality. The transformation begins.
Hello guys, how are you? James here. He is Alan. He doesn't talk much, so guys don't worry. And now we are going to take you through this project. It's a beauty complex. So we are going to start from the technical aspect of the whole project. Let me take you through the segments. Now, Mr. Alan, we are going to have a washing area here, right? Yeah. Yes, we'll have a washing area, 2 compartments here. I think that is enough for the 6 stations, right? Yeah, now here we are going to have, right here where you see this area, we are going to have a cubicle for makeup and also for facials. This is where we are going to have the pedicure. And then over here we are going to have a makeup station. This one will be external. Over here we will be having internal. Over here we are going to have a waiting area. A very nice one. Yeah, Alan, you see the entrance will be over here. Yes, and here we have the air conditioner. The counter is over here. Yeah, because this is the entrance that we used. The other entrance will be blocked for some. So, over here, these are the stations. These will be 4 working stations. And over here we have the manicure area. We have manicure tables. Yes. Now let's go to the kids. So yeah, this is the kids area. We are going to have several stations here. You can see the space in the mid-channel. Yeah, we'll have 3 stations here. And I almost forgot there is also 1 station here. We'll have a station here. And the ceiling will be well done. It will be colorful for the kids. And we're also going to change this floor. It's going to have a different color. So in total, we are going to have 6 stations around this area. Now, that is the overview of the technical aspect. When it comes to the ceiling, you can see how the ceiling goes. It's plain. Yeah, it's plain. We are going to have several designs for the inside there. We'll talk about that when we are done with the structure, and we'll keep you updated.
chose a sophisticated color palette of soft pastels and gold accents for a luxurious feel. LED mirrors enhance lighting, while custom furniture optimizes space and comfort. Every element was carefully selected to create a high-end salon experience. And here it is, the final masterpiece of Pearl Salon and Kids Sport, Utawala. A salon that is not just beautiful but also welcoming and functional. This is the power of intentional design. What do you think of this transformation? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to transform your space, contact us today. Visit our website www.jayfixdesigns.com. Follow us on socials at Jayfix Designs, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, then LinkedIn. Contact us on 0729 044 023. Jayfix Designs, designing your future today.